So student, welcome back to my channel Commerce Adda. Today we will solve one question, that is profit and loss appropriation account. Is it okay? Here one question I have taken out. From here you can see one question. X and Y are partners with a capital of 1 lakh and 80,000. After that, here it is given on 1st April 2016. In the year on 1st April 2016, both the partner have capital of 1 lakh and 80,000. Is it okay? After that, and their profit sharing ratio is 2:1. Here both are doing a partnership business. Okay. After that, if it is profit or loss, here they will decide as per the profit sharing ratio, that is 2:1. And interest on कैपिटल इज एवरेज एट 12% पर एनम. ठीक है, इसमें दिया है जो कि इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल पार्टनर को मिलेगा 12% में. उसके बाद क्या बोला है, पार्टनर किसको मिलेगा, बोथ द पार्टनर विल गेट इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल एट 12% पर एनम. ठीक है, पर एनम मींस इट इज ईयरली बेसिस. ओके, ईयरली एक साल में 12% मिलेगा इसको इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. आफ्टर दैट y is to be allowed an annual salary of how much, 6,000. y को क्या मिलेगा, सैलरी मिलेगा. बिकॉज़ बिजनेस में काम हो रहा है, पार्टनरशिप में काम हो रहा है, तो क्या हो रहा है, he will get a salary of how much, 6,000. okay, annually. After that, the profit for the year ended 31st March was 17, amount of rupees 50,000. here the firms earn a profit of how much, 50,000. ठीक है, उसके बाद क्या हो रहा है, मैनेजर is entitled to a commission of 10% of the profit. here manager is the outsiders, that he will get a commission of 10% of the profits. Out of 50,000, manager is going to get a commission of how much, 10%. So before going to start with the profit and loss appropriation, we have to deduct from the net profit manager's commission, because manager is the outsiders. That is why first of all we have to deduct manager commission. After that only we will start with the profit and loss appropriation account, because here manager is the outsiders. That is why first of all we will prepare one note, okay, working note for manager's commission. Okay, that is working note. okay, तो मैनेजर कमीशन क्या करना है हम लोगों को, जो कि मैनेजर को कमीशन मिलेगा, जो भी मिलेगा वो हम लोग कहाँ शो करते हैं, इन द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. ओके, इफ द मैनेजर इज गेटिंग एनीथिंग, ओके, फ्रॉम द फॉर्म that is to be debited from the profit and loss account. तो we prepare one note. ओके, ठीक है, एक हम लोग प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस बनाएंगे जो कि इजी है, जो कि हियर पार्टिकुलर्स के अमाउंट and here amount rupees. okay, here particulars amount. okay, this one is PL. okay, profit and loss account. हम लोग पहले क्या बनाएंगे, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट बनाएंगे. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है हम लोगों को, दिस वन इज डेबिट साइड, दिस वन इज क्रेडिट साइड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैनेजर को कुछ भी मिल रहा है तो क्या करना है हम लोग को, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस में क्या करते हैं, उसको डेबिट करते हैं. तो बिकॉज़ इट इज ए वन टाइप ऑफ एक्सपेंस फॉर द फर्म. ओके, तो क्या करना है, मैनेजर्स कमीशन, मैनेजर को कमीशन कितना मिलेगा, 10% ऑफ प्रॉफिट. ओके, 10% ऑफ प्रॉफिट. तो कितना होगा नेट प्रॉफिट, हियर बाय ये जो प्रॉफिट दिया है इसको क्या बोलते हैं, ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट. ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट कितना है, वो डाउन कर दो, जो कि 50,000 दिया है फर्म का प्रॉफिट. देखो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसको we'll just write 50,000 here. after that, okay, here we'll write 50,000. is it okay? after 10% of profit बोला है, जो भी हम लोग को डिडक्शन है, because it is a one time expense to the firm, that is why we have debit क्यों करना है, debit over expenses and losses. we know the nominal rule, profit and loss जब भी बनाएंगे हम लोग nominal rule के हिसाब से. that is why if anything expenses or loss is incurred, that should be debited to profit and loss account. that is why manager is outside, it's a one of expenses, we have deducted these things. manager commission, 10% कितना होगा, 10 by 100 into, that is profit is how much, 50,000. yes or no? that is why if you calculate these things, you will get how much, 5,000 is the manager's commission. and which one is remaining, that is to be write net profit. जो भी हम लोग का बचेगा, जो भी बैलेंस होगा वो हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं इसको, जो कि नेट प्रॉफिट हम लोग को निकालना है, दैट शुड बी ओके, दैट शुड बी ट्रांसफर्ड, दैट शुड बी ट्रांसफर्ड टू एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट, दैट शुड बी ट्रांसफर्ड टू एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट। यहाँ पे कितना होगा, जो भी दिस साइड दिस आउट दिस साइड how much 5000, so what is the balance amount, that is called net profit, that is 45000 is the net profit for the farm. It is okay, just you note down, you can take a screenshot of this. So before preparing the profit and loss appropriation account, you have to prepare this thing, that is profit and loss account. Okay, you take a screenshot of this. Okay, so we proceed with the profit and loss appropriation account. Is it okay? Is it okay? तो हम लोग का कितना निकला था प्रॉफिट, कितना निकला था प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस में, जो कि 45,000, यस और नो। तो हम लोग को नोट करना है, याद करना है 45,000 कहां से आया, ठीक है, दैट शुड बी रिटेन इन द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट। तो वी विल स्टार्ट विद द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट। ओके, profit and loss appropriation account, yes or no? Here for the year ended 31st March, you have to write down everything, okay, it is mentioned in the question, okay, you can see this one is 31st March 2017, जब भी हम लोग ये बनाता है, कब बनाता है, at the end of the year, okay, profit and loss account is prepared at the end of the year, okay, so we make one format, okay, छोटा सा फॉर्मेट बनाया जा रहा है तो, जो कि this one is amount column, this one is particulars, this one is amount. So here we write down debit, this one credit side, okay, here we write down particulars, this one amount rupees, here we write down particulars, here amount rupees, okay, I have in short. So here first thing to this one is buy. So before starting with this, you have to know what is the profit. We have calculated from the profit and loss account after deducting manager's commission. Then what is the profit? That one we have deduct. We have written down here net profit. We have brought down this. How much? You can write down here transfer from P, okay, profit and loss account क्या करें, ट्रांसफर करके यहाँ पे ले जाएंगे, जो कि प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट। व्हाट इज द प्रॉफिट, 45,000, इट इज ओके। आफ्टर दैट इन द क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज गिवन, पार्टनर साइज कैपिटल 1 लाख एंड द बी 80,000, यस और नो। आफ्टर दैट क्या बोला, इन द रेशियो 2:1। आफ्टर दैट इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, तो इफ अब देखो हम लोग एप्रोप्रिएशन बना रहे हैं, तो हम लोग को ध्यान में रखना है एप्रोप्रिएशन में फॉर्म का हिसाब से हम लोग को सोचना है। सपोज दिस वन इज माय फॉर्म, ओके, तो इफ एनी एक्सपेंसेस ऑकर्ड, दैट मींस फॉर्म हैज टू पे, फॉर्म हैज टू पे, दैट इज व्हाई वी डेबिट ऑल द एक्सपेंसेस, व्हाटएवर चार्जेस, ओके, इज देयर फॉर द फॉर्म, दैट शुड बी डेबिटेड, एंड व्हाटएवर इनकम्स फॉर द फॉर्म, दैट इज क्रेडिटेड, ओके। तो हियर इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल क्या है, फॉर्म पे करेगा पार्टनर को, तो फॉर्म के लिए क्या हो गया, जैसे व्हाटएवर एक्सपेंसेस, तो वी राइट हियर इंटरेस्ट ऑन capital means partners capital, okay, capitals, here both the partners are there, x and y, तो कितना मिलेगा, कैपिटल कितना है उसका 1 लाख, कितना परसेंट, here 12%, 12%, 12 by 100, and y कितना होगा, y का कितना 80,000, ओके, 80,000 into 12% बोला दोनों का, तो 12 by 100, तो कितना होगा ये हम लोग कितना निकालेंगे इसको, how much, if you write down here, this is not there, okay, this, and here 12,000 is the interest for x, and here 1010 is zeros cancel, then what is the amount here, double zero. 8 plus 6 plus 6 how 1 8 9. Okay, 9,600. It is okay. 8 plus 6 plus 7 9. Okay, 9,600. If total of this interest, we write down here. Here how much? This one double zero is there. Again, this one is 6. After that 9, 11, 1 carry, that is 2. Okay, that is 21,600. Fine. It is okay. Have you understood this? Yes. After that क्या करना होगा? Y को सैलरी मिलेगा. Y को क्या मिलेगा? सैलरी मिलेगा. तो सैलरी मिलेगा तो क्या होगा? One type of expenses for the firm because Y is getting salary. Here it is mentioned in the partnership deed that Y is allowed an annual salary. Annual मतलब annual बोले से साल में salary मिलेगा. किसको? Y को कितना? 6,000. So we write here how much? Y's salary. It is okay. How much? 6,000. और कुछ बोला है इसमें? There is nothing mentioned more. Okay. तो at last we'll deduct. Okay. Both sides total up. How much will get? This side is more. So we write down here 4,000, 45,000. Okay. Here also we can write down how much? 45,000. Okay. After that, what is the difference we are getting? Okay, this side is income side, this side is expenses side. तो फर्म का प्रॉफिट होगा तो किसका प्रॉफिट होगा? पार्टनर्स का, because this firm is managed by the partners because they are both doing partnership business. So that is why if there is profit, partner will get share of profit. Share of profit कितना होगा? 2:1. That means if you calculate 45,000 out of how much? 21,600. After that 6,000. And what is the total of? This one is 27,600 is the total of debit side and credit side is 45,000. If it deduct these things from debit to credit to debit, that means 27,600. What is the remaining amount? 0. Okay, here 4. After that, what is the amount? 10, 4, 7, 7. Here, what will we get? 2, 3, 1, 1. 17,400. We are getting profit of how much? 17,400. This is the profit of firm. Okay, that should be distributed among the partners X and Y in the ratio of 2:1. अब 17,400 मिला तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे इसको? हम लोग डिवाइड करेंगे इसमें 2:1. तो 2:1 में हम लोग डिवाइड करेंगे कितना मिलेगा दोनों को? How much they will get? Here we will write down. Okay. Okay, we will write down here. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? ये जो 17,400 था उसको हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे. किसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे? To both the partners. Okay. Both the partners means we will write here to share of profits. Share of profits. तो किसको मिलेगा? X, Y. तो X को कितना मिलेगा? 17,400 into what is the ratio of this X and Y? 2:1. That is 2/3. एक को मिलेगा, एक को कितना मिलेगा? 17,400 into 1/3. If we calculate all this thing, what we will get? This. Okay, 17,400 is the total one. And if you calculate this here, if you calculate 3, okay, तो कितना होगा इसमें? 3 6 18, 3 5 15. Yes or no? 5. After that 7. Okay, 2. 3 7 3 8 24 8 24 double 0. तो 5 double 0 2 0 0. Okay, 2 0 0. It is 6 1. Okay, तो 10 है 11,600 एक को मिलेगा और दूसरा को कितना मिलेगा? दूसरों को मिलेगा 5,800. How much? 5,800. If we total up these things, we get how much? 0 0. Okay, 8 9 10 4 another one. Okay, 5 6 1 7. It is 1. Okay, this is how we distribute profits among the partners. Here it is given in the question that if there is any profit that should be distributed as per ratio 2:1. Both the partner are there. We distribute how much? X and Y 2:1. ओके, 70,400 को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया और हमको क्या मिला, एक का मिला 11,600, दूसरा का मिला 5,800. This is how we do it. Okay, if I will explain one thing. Okay, you just keep in just remember this thing. If your ratio is not given, then on that time you have to find out, you have to know that the ratio, that the profit must be distributed equally. क्या करना है हम लोगों को? That profit must be distributed equally. If the ratio is not mentioned, how the profit is distributed? Okay, so I hope these things you have understood very easily. Very simple question I have taken out, okay, from the DK Goel book. So I hope you will understand. So student, you just feel free to comment so that I will make more videos for you all for a practice session, because now you have time to practice more and more questions. If you tell me that to make more and more videos, I will bring new videos on this topic, and any topic you can ask me. Give a comment in the comment section below so that I will make more videos. So thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you, sir.